Masse from Danfoss. I work for Danfoss in the food retail segment doing supermarket controls. We're showcasing and highlighting some of our newest equipment that's coming over from Europe as we get into unitized control, such as they do in Europe. So we have our system manager, the heartbeat of the entire system, controlling, ingesting all the information coming from our pack controllers for compressor and condenser control. This is the 782B, used in transcritical CO2, which is starting to really ramp up here in the States. Moving from the 782 for rack and pack control, we have our CC55 case controller. Unitized control made either in a single solenoid control or a 3-valve control for unitized cases. With that, it comes in a few variations, with or without a user display, or we can actually adapt into a remote display, either a user interface or Bluetooth, which is really increasing the efficiency for service techs in the field and commissioning cases, getting them up and running faster. Also for diagnosing, no more running up and down ladders to the roof pack houses or anything. In the system manager, we've really upgraded from our system manager 800 to the 800A. Beneath there is much faster capacity quad core processing, just due to the amount of data that we're ingesting from all of the controls. So we've sped it up a lot. It's also touchscreen now, so we've gotten rid of the keyboard. We've also brought it into the next gen with some new protocols using RS485 and Modbus. There's a lot of features. It also has Wi-Fi connection for the technicians in the field that want to connect to it and not have to stand directly in front of it. With that, all of the data coming into here is all ingested into our new digital services platform called AllSense. This is an alarm monitoring, energy monitoring. We can do solution control. What I mean by that is we also do a program called Health Check, which makes sure all the controllers stay on the network, they're healthy, they're communicating both to and from. We can do that as little as 5-minute increments up to an hour, depending on customers' requirements. We also have energy monitoring services, commissioning services that tie all into the AllSense services. So we have a full package from installation to store management.